here we go. Who did this dissection?
I did.
A very good job, I might say. All right, so heart, right? Right there. See it? Lobes of the liver, right? 3 lobes. There's a liver lobe there and there. The largest abdominal organ is the liver. He's got cancer. Okay.
He's been smoking.
Heavy drinker. That's taken its toll on its liver. Okay. So my question is, what does the liver produce? What substance?
Insulin? No.
No, it emulsifies fat. So what is that substance? Bile. What stores bile?
The gallbladder?
The gallbladder. So there we go. Attached to the liver is the gallbladder. Does everybody see the gallbladder? You see that thing that looks like a little green pea? Okay, so heart, liver, gallbladder. What is this J-shaped organ?
Stomach.
Stomach. Makes perfectly good sense. Now, stomach leads to what?
Intestines.
You can't say intestines on my test. I mark it wrong. Small intestines. Do you see that right here? Small intestines now leading to the large intestine, which looks like a little chili pepper, doesn't it? Okay, what's another name for the large intestine? The colon, right? So I guess if the frog had half of the colon taken out, it would have a semicolon. You didn't think that was clever? All right, there we go. Stomach. Aren't you going to miss these jokes?
Yes.
Small intestine, large intestine. You cannot just say intestine. Now look, right here, collapsed bladder. Do you see this?
Bladder.
Bladder. Now, if it was alive, there would be urine in it, but that's the collapsed bladder. This is fat bodies. You see them finger-like projections? Now, if you're a Massachusetts frog and it's September, October, you're going to start gathering fat bodies for winter to hibernate, okay? So fat bodies. Are we all right with that? Okay. Now, let's see, what else do we need? There, that little round thing is the spleen. You see that? Okay, pay attention because I'm going to quiz you on this. All right. So, look. Kidney. Take a look. Kidney, right there. Where's your kidney? Your kidney is located back there, correct?
Yep. Yeah.
So, kidney. Okay. One moment, let's sex this thing. Well, before we sex it, there's a lung. Little triangular spongy thing. Does everybody see that? Now you're thinking, God, you got a frog this big and a lung this big. The lungs are highly inefficient. Where's most of the respiration occurring? Yes, called cutaneous respiration. So cutaneous respiration is extremely important in amphibians. There's the lung here. 2 lungs. Do you have it? Okay. Let me take a look right here. One moment, please. Got to move it around a little bit. Let me take a look.
Just like that middle part is hard? Oh, okay.
Hang on.
Oh, just like a shell? Did you see that yet?
I'm looking around for sexing this guy. I know it's a male, but looking for parts. One moment, please.
Are you gonna ask us that on the
Yeah, let me take a look for...
lab practical
Let
if
me
it's
take
a male or female?
I may not, but let's see if we can actually sex this guy. Sometimes if they're very young, this is not a young frog, they're difficult, but I will find parts. We'll find the parts. All right, now look. Tongue, right? But notice where the... notice where the tongue is attached. Where? The front of the mouth. Where is your tongue attached? The rear. So the tongue is attached anteriorly. Remember, they roll the tongue out, right?
Oh, yeah.
this is kind of split, but that's a normal thing for a frog. But on a live animal, that tongue could come out to here catching insects. Now look, vomer and teeth right here. Do you see this right here? That tooth right there, and that tooth is called vomerin. V-O-M-E-R-I-N-E. Vomerin teeth. Are we all right with that?
All right.
So, let's see. One moment, please. One moment, please. Sometimes when these guys are kind of immature, sexy, this is a male. Oh, wait. Let me see for a second. Okay, let's take a look at that frog for a second. Did you just bring this to me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's take a look at this frog for a minute. This might be a little bit easier.
It's a nice starfish.
Like crazy pregnant. I remember my teacher saying like she would explode at any minute. That's the kidney. The kidney.
Kidney. Hang on.
There's a lung.
Gonads on this. What's that?
Is that
Fat body. Oh, right there.
oh that's
Kid, liver,
That's the spleen.
spleen.
Okay, testes right here. Testis right there. Right
Where?
there.
That?
Right testis right there. Right there. Now, this is what's called the vestigial oviduct. And I hope we have a female somewhere. But this right here, testis right there, do you see that? Let's find the other one.
We got 99. Yeah. I was supposed to do like this folding trick where you stick a...
Testis right there. See that right there? We may not ask the sex of these things, but that's what we're going. Now, let's see if you were paying attention. Okay? What's that?
Liver,
Liver,
stomach,
fat body,
fat bodies,
kidney,
kidney, spleen,
lung,
lung,
tongue.
tongue, visceral teeth,
Vomer and teeth.
oh, vomit.
You'll see it on the sheet. What's that?
Did you say?
large intestine,
Large intestine. What's another name? What's this?
Small intestine.
Now look, where the small intestine and the stomach meet, this is called the duodenum. So stomach, duodenum, small intestine, large intestine. Got it?
What is that
Okay.
called in people?
Same thing.
No, the duodenum and then the other two.
Oh, the jejunum and the ileum.
Yes, thank you.